Hi everyone, Meister here again. I thought I will try to fix a problem of what most of the Calibra owners have, the squeaky tailgate, and I hope I can get a solution to fix it. The weather is beautiful today, so I thought I will take a chance and give a crack on it. So yeah, in my opinion, the bushings what are holding the tailgate, leveling the tailgate correctly, are misadjusted, and the lock what locks the tailgate is also, I don't know, over the years how many people have adjusted it. So let's try to adjust these two things, and let's see if it helps. So if it helps, then someone can use this video with the how-to. So let's go on. So first thing to do is to remove this part. This has some plastic clips, and you need to remove these. There are plastic nuts here also, here three places, and if you remove this, then you can get access to the lock. I think the lock is on the wrong height, because when I push the tailgate together, it's going tight, closing very tight, because I need to push it with little force. And the next part is to adjust these parts, that the tailgate edge is on the same level like this. So let's take this part off, and let's start adjusting. I checked these plastic nuts are socket number 9. I didn't have the correct one with the wrench, but I got this one, so I can take these off. It's a weird number, usually it's 8 or 10, but this is 9. It's hard if you don't have the correct tool set. Now these are removed. I will take the flathead screwdriver. I will start to pry this part off. Let's take some help tools. One is out. Second is out. On the sides there are longer clips. On the middle there are shorter, like you see. Now let's take this off. Come out. Now there should be all the clips, and let's see if it comes out. I will move this part. Yeah, it's not necessary. It should be coming out. Lift this a little bit. Now this is out, and that is the lock mechanism. From here I already see that one side is up, this part is a little bit down, so the lock is tilted a little bit. Now I will try to loosen these nuts. I will adjust the rubber bushings so the tailgate is all leveled up. Then I will let the rear seats down and close the lid, and let's hope everything goes as it should. So yeah, I will see the right socket. This should be 13 millimeters. Yeah, 13. Quite tight. This one was a little bit looser. Yeah, there is some play, like you see. The lock is adjustable. Oh, it's getting a little windy. I hope you hear something. But yeah, let's now adjust the bushings. Now let's see this part. Like I said, let's lower it down. This, when I'm feeling it with my finger, the tailgate is a little bit down according to the rear fender. And now I need to adjust it a little bit. Don't mind, the Calibra is a little bit dusty because I washed him, and it's been raining a couple of days, so and the trees are giving their dust or something, and the Calibra is covered with it. But now I will adjust this a little bit out. It should be higher, yeah, a little bit higher. This part also. Let's see the right. This is this. No, almost. Let's see. Now it feels like it's correct from here. Let's see this side. Yeah, this side is also correct. So now I need to go inside and lock it, and I hope when I put it locked I will tighten the nuts, and let's see how the tailgate closes. Now let's go a little tighter space. Now I close the tailgate, and from here I am seeing that the lock is also tilted like it was. But now I will tighten these two nuts, and let's see how the tailgate closes. I will close the camera right now because I need to hold the tailgate with a lock in place and tighten it. It's I need two hands. A little update. I did some work off camera, so I thought I will find the problem cause, what was causing the squeaking sound, and I already took this part out. I thought maybe the switch what turns on the light on the trunk is squeaking because it's plastic. That wasn't the fault, and then I adjusted the lock mechanism up and down, everything, and it was still squeaking. No, I cleaned it with the brake cleaner also before. It was quite dirty, but yeah, the main cause, what I found out that the lock mechanism, this part is plastic, and this part also is plastic, and when the lock goes in, plastic against plastic, when the tailgate moves, no, it's a hatchback, so the tailgate moves a little bit, is making the squeaking sound. So like you see, I don't know if it's visible on the camera, I took the W40, the penetrating oil, and I soaked the part with the penetrating oil, and now I took I made a test drive here. There are some holes, I drove around them, and no squeaking sound. Sorry if I'm my face is a little bit weird, but right now it's quite sunny outside, and it's affecting my eyes. But yeah, the Calibra-s main problem was the squeaking sound. I think a lot of Calibra-s have the same problem. If you have the same problem, then it's an easy fix. No, it just took time to find out why is it like this. And the lock mechanism, I don't know, do you see? I put it like this, and so this edge is where the lock mechanism goes. It's not down, it's not tilted vertically or something. Now on my eyes, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 notches on the rubber bushing, so this side is straight with the rear wing, and here also 4. No, this bushing is a little bit more worn out, but also the 4, and so all depends how worn the bushings are, so you can adjust it also. And when I close it, I will this is like this, and the tailgate is closed. I don't need to force it close, and it's coming off very good. So no, easy fix, and I hope it helped someone. It helped me, because I was going crazy with the squeaking sound and I didn't like it. So now I will put everything back together and start enjoying squeaky free drive. Yeah, but now I will end this video, and like usual, hit like, hit subscribe if you like this video, and if you have anything to say, if you have the same squeaking sound problem like I had, write on the comments. I'm happy to talk with other Calibra owners, and if I can help anyone, I will do. So see you soon on the next video. Bye.
Leather seats and a roaring sound, engine